Hello, hello. I'm going to show you how to record a QR code to add an artist statement to your artwork. On Vocaroo, we are going to go in. This is the page you'll see when you type in vocaroo.com. We'll click record, and then this is my recording. It's testing me out, and I'll go ahead and put allow this time. And now I'm recording. So I'm going to record. This is my test. This is my example. And I'm going to stop it. Now, this is my audio. All I need to do next is save and share. I'm going to click QR code. I'm going to save this QR code. It's on my computer. When I need it, all I have to do is go in, and here is my QR code. So it is here. And now all I have to do is either insert this QR code into a digital piece of art or print this QR code and the file from my computer to attach to a tangible work of art. Here's an example of how your QR code should be inserted into any of your art pieces. The QR code is sized, and in the bottom right corner, it is not interfering with the art. If his artwork were taking up a little more space and the background wasn't so spacious, we would be able to scale that QR code down so it wasn't covering as much of the art. In this case, it works well and looks great. So be mindful of that and have fun inserting your artist statements into your artwork.